The Abarth Scorpione 1300 Corsa originates from the Lombardi Grand Prix, a compact coupe launched in 1968 by Carrozzeria Francis Lombardi. Based on the Fiat 850, the Grand Prix featured a steel body, a camback tail, and a low front end with pop-up headlamps. Although early versions used standard 850 components, later iterations adopted the 850 special engine and inspired a variety of transformations, including the Otas Grand Prix and the Giannini 1000 Grand Prix. Carlo Abarth saw potential in the Lombardi platform and initiated his own development. His first prototype replaced the 843 cubic centimeters Fiat engine with the 903 cubic centimeters unit from the Fiat 850 coupe, producing 51 to 52 horsepower and paired with a relocated front radiator for better cooling. Further evolution led to the Abarth 1300 Scorpione, Abarth's final independently engineered car. It used a reworked Fiat 124S engine, enlarged to 1,280 cubic centimeters by increasing bore by 2.5 millimeters, generating approximately 74 horsepower and reaching nearly 110 miles per hour in testing by Auto Motor und Sport. The specific car, later known as the Scorpione 1300 Corsa, left the factory on the 16th of December 1969 as a standard 104N model. First owner Lido Giambastiani used it primarily on the road with occasional hill climb participation. In 1971, it passed to racing engineer Francesco Landi, who transformed the vehicle for competition. Landi installed a twin-cam 1,280 cubic centimeters engine with Weber 40 DCOE carburetors and replaced the transverse leaf spring front suspension with a bespoke coilover system. After finishing second at the Coppa dello Collino, the car crashed during its next outing, resulting in significant frontal damage. Landi rebuilt the nose through specialist Giovanni Paganucci, improving front aerodynamic load to counterbalance the rear-mounted engine. He removed the pop-up headlights, added NACA ducts on the rear fenders, fitted Perspex windows, and applied an aggressive green-orange racing livery. With this configuration, the Scorpione achieved a class victory at Alta Garafagnana, but later retired from the Coppa del Chianti Classic due to mechanical issues. Landi eventually sold the car, which circulated among Italian owners throughout the 1980s and 1990s. Rediscovered in France in 1999 by Luca Mazzanti of F&M Auto, the Scorpione underwent a complete restoration finished in 2003. FIA papers followed in 2004, classifying it in Period G2, Class GR6. After brief use in historic racing, it passed to Simon Park in the United Kingdom, then to the Fendt collection in Germany, where Abarth specialist Leo Allmüller prepared it for high-speed driving. Today, the Abarth Scorpione 1300 Corsa stands as a rare survivor of Abarth's final independent period, distinguished by authentic period competition history, unique engineering modifications, and one-off aerodynamic refinements that elevate it from a small Fiat-based coupe to a highly specialized racing machine.